Hello everyone, how are you doing? In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to fix a common issue you might encounter while browsing the internet on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. The error we're going to tackle today is the Net ERR CERT Authority Invalid error. When this error pops up, it typically means your browser is unable to verify the website's SSL certificate. This can happen for a few reasons. The certificate might be issued by an authority that the browser doesn't trust, or it could be outdated. There are other reasons, but these are the most common ones. So let's dive into how we can fix this issue. If you're seeing this error on most web pages, it's likely related to your internet connection. Let's start by resetting some network settings. First, we're going to open the command prompt with administrative privileges. Here's how you can do that. Click on the search icon or bar, usually located near the Start button. Type in CMD and you should see Command Prompt as the best match. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If you get a User Account Control prompt, click Yes. Now that we have the command prompt open, we'll enter a command to reset the WinSock catalog, which can help resolve network-related issues. Type in the following command: netwinsock reset. After typing it exactly as shown, press Enter. You should see a message saying, "Successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset." Before restarting, we'll also flush the DNS cache to ensure it's not causing any issues. Type in this command, ipconfig/flushdns. Make sure to type it exactly with no spaces after the slash. Press Enter again. You should see a confirmation message that says, "Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache." Now, close the command prompt and restart your computer. If you restart your computer and still see the error, we can try resetting your network settings to their default state. Please keep in mind that if you do this, you'll need your Wi-Fi credentials handy to reconnect to your network afterward. Let's proceed with resetting the network settings. Open the search menu again and type Network Reset. Click on the option that says Network Reset. This option will remove and reinstall all your network adapters, resetting your networking components to their default settings. You might need to reinstall some software, like VPN clients or virtual switches afterward. When you're ready, click the Reset Now button. You'll see a prompt asking if you're sure you want to reset the network settings. Click Yes. After this, your computer will restart automatically. Once it does, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network using your credentials. Hopefully by now, the Net ERR CERT Authority Invalid error is resolved. If it persists, there may be additional steps you need to take, like updating your browser or checking your antivirus settings. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. See you in the next video.